Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on or off autoplay in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner, new into this game, still confused how I can challenge the event, how I can complete the quest, so I can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started. So I recommend you to turn off this autoplay because a you need a compact defense. Sometimes if you turn on this auto, your defense will rush in automatically. So you need to uh, make a shape perfectly. So just turn off by tap the gameplay, scroll down, this one, autoplay. AI will control the active player when you are not using the virtual stick. I recommend you to turn this off because AI will not control the active player when you are not using the virtual stick. So you have to use it manually so you can master the gameplay as you wish. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.